What's up, guys? This is the full breakdown of the trade I took today on S&P 500. So the price came all the way up the past few days, but today it broke the structure down. It broke all the structure with this fair value gap. This is a breaker entry for those who trade in the 1 hour chart. I like to trade on the 1 minute chart. Also, this was Asia session. I do not trade it. I only trade New York session. My target was this swing low right here. Check what happened. I love when this happens. The price came all the way down, but it didn't sweep. This is a high probability that the price is gonna come back there again soon. So now we just have to wait for the New York session to start. Put on a 5 minute. I like to see the context on the 5 minute chart. Okay, 9:30 right here, New York session opened. The price, we could catch this trade right here. It was beautiful. It came all the way to the target, but I couldn't catch this trade. So the price came here, swept, made a pullback right here on this order block. Again, for more orders to be filled. Also, we have the VWAP right here. When the price came all the way down, respected the fair value gap right on the 50%, check it out. With the VWAP, with the New York session VWAP, it broke all the way down. This gives me a lot of confirmation that the institutional flow is bearish. And check this out, repetition of patterns. I love to see that. Right here, another order block. So, this is really algorithmic. I love to see that shit happen when the patterns, they repeat themselves. I'm gonna give you a tip that I love seeing that gives me more confirmation on the institutional flow. Check the VIX, 7% up. That means the big players, they are paying for protection. Check the ETFs all the way down. Check the stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, and all the others. All the way down, they're all red, and the percentage is going lower. This gives me the truth, institutional flow, bearish. So that gives me more confirmation. So now I know the probability the price is gonna really keep going down. So now I need the entry pattern. I put on the 1 minute chart because all my entries are on the 1 minute. Not all of them, but most of them. What do we see right here on the 1 minute? Remember, repetition of patterns is a good sign. So the price came here, did a pullback, broke the structure. Now what we see on the 1 minute, check it out, check this out. Sorry my bad English, because I'm from Brazil. We have these equal highs. Swept these equal highs right here, this is awesome. Broke the structure with the same pattern we saw on the 1 hour chart, but now on the 1 minute chart. The breaker right here. Check this breaker. The price broke down. Within the breaker, we left a fair value gap. That's my entry place. Look where respected the consequent encroachment or the 50%. 50% of the fair value gap. But I do not enter there. I need another confirmation in the 1 minute. Repetition of patterns. What is this, guys? What is this right here? This green candle and the down candle, another order block. Boom, my entry was right here. When it tapped all this in this order block, came here, boom, entry, short, stop loss above the 50%. Target that low for a 276 to 1. 2-to-1 risk to reward. My minimum risk to reward is a 2R. Beautiful trade. Came all the way, boom, boom. We put the money in the bank. And that's what we do every single day, guys. We check the VIX, we check the ETFs, the stocks. We check the structure of the market to see the institutional flow. And then we find out, okay, the probability of today is the price is gonna keep going lower. We also check the delta, check on the delta. It's confirming the aggressive sellers. And then we just need to wait for the 1 minute time frame for the entry. There was the entry right here. And if you do this every single day, only one trade a day, if you have more accounts, one trade per account a day, and you manage your risk, because this is the most important thing, the risk management. For me, after 5 years in the market, I realize it's not the setup, it's not the analysis, it's the risk management. When you manage your risk correctly and you take good trades like this with institutional flow, I guarantee you, in a sequence of 20, 30, 40 trades, you will make money. And if you manage correctly, you're not gonna blow your account before the statistics works in your favor. So that's what we do every single day. I hope I can teach you something and I can help you to learn and grow. And if you want to follow my journey, please subscribe to my channel, comment something below. I have my YouTube, my TikTok. I'm new into the social media area, so I appreciate that you guys are watching, and God bless you and have a good week. See you guys later.